Hi guys, it's Alex. So today is gonna be an unboxing video. I actually tried to do one of these before, but took up all the memory on my phone and I couldn't do it. So we have two special things that I just got from the mall. They're both Cartoon Network stuff. So yeah, just watch me struggle. We got this Cartoon Network collection box. I didn't know they still sold these because they're older. They're way older. So yeah, see what we got here. I actually had three of these, but I opened them. So before we see what this is, here's the other two that I got. I got Steven Universe and Gumball. The two characters I actually wanted. Anyways, let's see what this is. Sorry, I don't really sound very good. I'm kind of sick. Oh, cool. So we got, what's his name again? We got Samurai Jack. Cool, and I think there's something else in here. Oh, comes with a sword. I didn't know it came with that. So I got the sword to fit. Look. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, their heads move all the way. Their arms move somewhat. This one's kind of hard to move. And then we have one other thing to do, which is the calendar. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I would show you the thing, but I'm low on time, so bye.